Yɛntoa so na meka sɛ asantemantam mu mabunu dɔmfrɛfoɔ binom wɔne wɔabɛde akyire ne ne wɔbɔ kwadu wɔ Dr. Bryan Acheampong asena yɛ wɔn nsɛm bi a wɔn susu sɛ wɔka de fa kane mampani abɛde akyire Dr. Bawumia ho.
Ewo Dr. Bryan Acheampong to aba wode ba asantemantam ha be hia delegate wode to wo motrim se wo hwe afimpi no ne do na abato mu entwodie na yemfa ho ntansa nyina mmo Dr. Bawumia na ka ho bi ama youth organizers fandodo wa asantemantam ha no bedi akire nei wayen sanchofo nhia mu de ayi Dr. Bryan Acheampong no se nsem na wo ka no nokure bia enim.
I want you to understand or draw your attention to it was the famous word "we won't hand over power" statement, which was said by Honorable Dr. Bryan Acheampong. And I believe you all remember. We live in a country that we believe in democracy. Dr. Acheampong's infamous public statement suggesting that the new Patriotic Party would not hand over power after the December 2024 election was unnecessary, was reckless, was irresponsible, and dangerously undemocratic. And many citizens of this country who believes in the democracy of this country decided to vote against the new Patriotic Party.
Ekonto onka senka ye pubi abonosobo ewa afimpinu ne do na abatuo no mu entwodie na anka Dr. Bryan Acheampong ni nyina ne se wo se ohwe ne nkase bi ne ne bi a wo ye biti senka auto senate hotel ene ne dwumadi a okodi ye ewo agric ministry ho ka ho bi ene ma amanyuko ne di ntwosa.
The attempted accusation of majority shares in Snitz Hotel by Dr. Bryan Acheampong, and I believe you all remember, while serving as a Minister of State, constituted a serious breach of public interest and major contributing factor to the defeat of the new Patriotic Party. This move justifiably angered millions of Snitz contributors. They have been dissented by that singular action of Dr. Bryan Acheampong, leading to massive vote against